good.
I'm not keeping that thing on me, so this is the only one. Your seat belt is on?
Oh yes, indeed. Now you have to use the pedals instead. I mean, come on, don't be sissy. Use pedals. Manual shifting.
No.
No automatic shifting. That's sissies.
No. This is on max. This is off. ECD
should be on, I think.
Should be?
Yeah.
Yes.
Everything on, he said.
ECD on. ECD on. Or?
EDC on.
EDC, sorry.
Yeah, that can be on. No problem.
But should be or not?
Yeah, should be on.
Alright.
Yes.
Thanks.
Very good.
Are we ready?
Yep, let's go.
Oh, this is heavy tank, man. Compared to the M3, which is much more fun in this case.
Ooh, good there, man. Oh, man.
You feel that?
Yeah, I feel that. There is nothing, not grass, man.
No grass, no worries. I feel it. Do you feel it?
Yeah, no. So, second lap. Now.
See how it jumps.
That is cutting tires.
He will be not happy.
Please, man. I know. I think there is another pedal down there. I think it's called the brake, Nenad.
This one?
Yes.
Okay, let's use it for a while.
Yeah.
For some reason, the engine got strange sound. Was this better for you?
Like that.
Was that 2 rounds?
Yes.
Already?
Unfortunately.